The Legion Y70 is officially the first Lenovo smartphone with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The flagship is part of the Legion gaming family but comes with more straightforward aesthetics without skimming on top-tier performance. The screen is a 6.67-inch OLED with a 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1500Hz touch sampling rate. There is a single punch hole in the center of the selfie camera, and while Lenovo is saying nothing about the fingerprint scanner positioning, we can assume it is embedded in the power key. Removing the sensor from underneath the screen allowed Lenovo to make the Y70 extremely thin, just 7.99mm in its base. The company managed to cram up to 10 layers of cooling solutions, including several graphite sheets with a biggest vapor cooling on the market, which is just 0.5mm thick on its own. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset is a natural improvement over the non-Plus variant in the gaming Legion Y90. It is coupled with UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5 RAM, and Lenovo offers the Y70 in 3 combinations: 8GB RAM or 128GB storage, 12GB RAM or 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM or 512GB storage. The cameras on the back of this phone are also impressive. The main one is 50 megapixel with a 1x1.55-inch sensor. The secondary is a 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle with 120-degree field of view, and there's also a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The selfie camera is listed as 16 megapixel. The battery of the Legion Y70 is 5100 mAh and supports 68 watt fast charging. Lenovo also introduced some smart features that monitor the cell's life and charging patterns to protect the battery for a longer time. The software is ZUI 14 and we can only hope it has Android 12 underneath. Lenovo remained silent on the details. The Legion Y70 being part of a gaming family means it gets some cool accessories as well. Lenovo introduced a protective case with cooling capabilities, an air cooler similar to Asus Aero80 product, and attachable shoulder triggers. Lenovo Legion Y70 is up for pre-order at the company website in China in 3 colors: black, white and red, but the latter is only available with the most expensive memory choice. Prices begin from 3,299 Chinese yen, which is about $485. The phone is most likely remaining exclusive to China, but we can hope for a surprise from Lenovo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.